Which country has more pyramids than Egypt? Sudan. Which animal's fingerprints are almost identical to humans? Koala. What is the only continent without a desert? Europe. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? O negative. Which planet rotates sideways? Uranus. Which country consumes the most chocolate per person? Switzerland. What does the www stand for in a website browser? World Wide Web. Which country has the most natural lakes? Canada. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Which famous scientist had a fear of germs and shaking hands? Nikola Tesla. Which country has the world's oldest continuously used flag? Denmark. Which organ in the human body can regenerate itself? Liver. What is the rarest blood type in the world? B negative. Which country invented paper? China. Which is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat. What is the national animal of Scotland? Unicorn. Which sea has no coastline? Sargasso Sea. Which language has the most native speakers? Mandarin Chinese. Which country was the first to give women the right to vote? New Zealand. Which element has the chemical symbol W? Tungsten. Which is the deepest point in Earth's oceans? Mariana Trench. Which country has a maple leaf on its flag? Canada. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? Iceland. Which famous ship sank in 1912 after hitting an iceberg? Titanic. Which bird can mimic human speech best? Parrot. Which country has the highest number of volcanoes? Indonesia. Which vitamin is mainly produced when sunlight hits the skin? Vitamin D. Which famous inventor held over 1,000 patents? Thomas Edison. Which country has the world's largest rainforest? Brazil.